Do you want a tea or something?
I'd love a tea, thank you.
Yeah, go make yourself one.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do or start a little series of mine kind of covering some brands that I feel like don't get talked about on YouTube as much as other brands. So this is the first one, Flower Beauty, which is of course Drew Barrymore's brand, and this one's available at Target, CVS, Ulta, I believe. I'll list all of the stockists here, and their price range is really affordable, and in my experience, the products are very good. Okay, the packaging is what you would kind of expect from an affordable brand, but I still think that they've managed to make it really cute, really easy to wear, and at the same time they've incorporated really good skincare ingredients and modern kind of application techniques. Like their cheek liquid products are phenomenal, their complexion products are phenomenal, and you know, I find the formulations really nice. So I wanted to play around with them, and this is the look I came up with. We try a few different lip things, so anyways, let's get into the look, and I hope you enjoy this series. Okay, so they just sent me the Flower Supernova Celestial Priming Whip. This is probably something I wouldn't normally buy because I do believe that aerosol cans are not great for the environment, so I'm trying to reduce how many I buy. But, oh, did you see that? Okay, it looks interesting. I don't know how much you're gonna need, so. Weird. I can definitely see it on my forehead that it's created a bit of radiance. This one's meant to, oh, on the back of my hand I can see the shimmer. So you can wear this by itself or as a primer. To be honest, I feel like this looks a little bit glittery, like on the back of my hand. So if I was in sunlight, I'd probably be sparkling like Edward Cullen right now. But I think under makeup it's gonna be fine. So, come to apologize, have we? You come with an apology tea.
Yeah, C for...
Love you too. He's so funny. And then I really do like the other foundation by Flower that I've had and tried before, but they just sent me today the Get Real Serum Foundation. So let's try that. Probably this one, right? Ivory L2. Ooh, medium buildable coverage, conceals and smooths skin with a natural looking finish. Don't mind if I do, it's got antioxidants and stuff in it. Like, ow, it's hurting me. My little finger is in struggle town. Okay, I wasn't pressing down hard enough. Weird. Okay, then I'm gonna add some of the Heat Wave Bronzing Essence. Looks like this, because compared to, I think I will need a little bit of warmth in there. Ooh, satisfying little turd drop, wasn't it? Perfect. How good's that? Okay. That brush did not smell right. Straight in the wash bin. Okay, I feel like for me this is a very light coverage foundation, but it looks really nice. And I did only put, I think it was one pump on, so let's try another one. I honestly feel like that almost looks like I'm not wearing anything, and that could be a good thing or it could be a bad thing depending on what you want. But this does say that it's medium buildable coverage. I guess it's pretty medium. Okay, it did pill a little bit, like even with the brush, if I was using my fingers for sure, it would, yep, see? How it's pilled a little bit here. That's okay, it only happened with my fingers, so that's why I'd recommend a brush. It might just be some kind of reaction to the primer beforehand, because that's really all I had on top before. So maybe the serum formulation with the whip primer isn't great, or maybe I should have just left it longer before putting the foundation on or something. But if I was using my hands, I would have made a bit of a mess, so lucky I used a brush. Ooh, a brow product that I think this is new. This is very similar to the Fenty one, like even the shape of the pencil is the same. I'd say it's a dupe for the Fenty one. I wasn't super sold on the little brush compared to a spoolie, but it works you know, I get like good eyebrow results, so I guess I can't. I just feel like it doesn't get in amongst the hairs as well as I would want. I quite like this pencil. I do like the 3-point grip on these, you know, like it's a triangle shape. I like that. Okay, now I got these palettes, the Petal Play palettes. I don't know if when you buy the product, it gets shipped like this, but when they kindly send me PR, they do wrap some things in bubble wrap, but these were not wrapped. And there was one that was broken and it looked a big hot mess, and it was, now these are all dirty. So I do hope that when you buy product, they ship it better than that, but now these ones are all stained. I mean, it's okay. I'm not complaining, I'm just trying to say hopefully that when people purchase the products, they wrap the powder products as well. Because powders are probably more delicate than like plastic liquid products. And I can't seem to clean this plastic, even with makeup remover. I have a strong desire to try these pink ones. They're really pretty. This is the In Bloom palette. That's what it looks like. So there's 2 pinks and 2 golds, which to be honest, I wish there was like something else in there to use, you know, because they're quite similar. There's like a light champagne gold and then a more taupe gold. And then this is like an iridescent pink that throws orange, I guess. And then this is a very shimmery baby pink. I'm just gonna do like a really basic eye look. The shimmer looks really pretty though. Like it looks very beautiful. Ooh, the pigment is there too. We love to see it. Really blendy. Wow. So pretty. And there's like no fallout. Like literally there's no fallout in the pan. Okay, then I'll take this color on the lid. Whoa, these are super frosty. Like the whole palette is really frosty. But if you're looking for good shimmers, I really like them. Okay, let's take that iridescent pink. I feel like I probably shouldn't have put that there. Oh well, and then I'm gonna take some of it as well, pat it on the center of the lid just so I get a little shapeshifter moment. Just in the very center. That actually made a big difference. I like that. I'll use my pinky for some inner corner jam. Whoa, if you use your finger, it's hyper intense. Whoa, dude. There's no rule that says you can't wear shimmer all over your eye without any kind of matte or anything, and I always do it, like just shimmer everywhere. So let's do that, and then now I'm gonna put concealer on. I love their concealer. This is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. And I actually think I prefer the Light Illusion foundation now that I've tried the serum one. The Light Illusion foundation, guys, is so good. The coverage is good. Did you see that? Now, some stuff I don't have by Flower. I don't have eyeliners. I don't think I have any eyeliners. Wait, let me check. I have this one, but I don't think I want to use it. It's called Smoldering, and it's a liquid. I just don't really want to use gray with the pink. So I think I might just use some of the eyebrow liner. Mascara, I've never tried this before. It's the Warrior Princess mascara, which is an awesome name for a mascara, and it's got my favorite type of brush. So that's a good sign. I actually dig this mascara. The first coat, I was like, okay, this isn't very volumizing, but my eyelashes look long, and then second coat, and I think they look really nice. That is a decent mascara. I will probably be reaching for that again. I found it pretty easy to use, and it shaped some of the more difficult lashes that are like on the edge of my eye that kind of curl up. I was able to like mold them and stick them in the spot that I want, so me gusta. Okay, I always reach for this bronzer, the Heat Wave bronzer. I just think it's a really great color. Like, it's kind of a cool bronzer. Looks cool. Maybe it's neutral, but I like it. I feel like it looks really natural on me. And I feel like it gives me that just hit by the sun look. See what I mean? Oh, I might have put too much on there. That is in the shade Sunrise L1, by the way. And then the Just Pinched cheek product is one of my faves. I'm gonna put it on and show you. And then I think I might try this other cheek product as well. It's like this little moussey texture liquid, and it's a really pretty natural dewy cheek, and I love it. Like even on no makeup days or very light makeup days, like I love this one. Because not only does it add the color, but it adds that really nice dewy texture. So I love that. And you can build it up pretty well too. It's very subtle if you just put a small amount on like that. They also have, I just got sent these, the Gel Crush Lip and Cheek. So they have a warmer pink and then a more traditional pink. I think I'm gonna go with the, let's try the warmer pink. I would normally never go for that, but ooh. So this one looks like that, and I can see that the product ends there, which is a lot. Let's see how far this goes. Hopefully I can rewind it back. Didn't even think of that. Whoa, like that's a lot, right? Whoa, I feel like other brands would not give you that much. Can I wind it back? Oh, you can wind it back. And this is for your cheeks and lips, so we love to see it. Raspberry Crush. Raspberry, it is a very raspberry color. Just gonna use my fingers, and it's very melty. I like that. So it's kind of melting under my finger like a stick of butter would. It smells so good, are you joking? Wow, that's so pretty. I think I even like this more than the blush bomb. Not the most pleasant texture on my lips. My lips still feel dry underneath, but it definitely put some nice color on there. A very like tint effect. Cool. That stuff is really nice. It smells good. Really good. Like edible good. Let's try this. The Color Shift Lip Smoothie. Don't mind if I do. Oh, whoa. That's, I didn't expect that. It's like a jelly. I thought it was gonna be creamy. Oh my god, that smells really nice too. I think that's why they called it lip smoothie though. It smells a bit like a milkshake or something. That feels really good on my lips. I love it over the cheek thing, the Gel Crush. Isn't that nice? Wow. Cool, so we've got a little pink shimmery moment on the eyes, and I feel really pretty. I really like it. I loved how all the products performed. I mean, I made everything work really easily without any troubles. Even that product that was like kind of pilling up, it didn't really pill up, I guess, because I was using a brush, but I can see that it would if I had tried to use it with my fingers. I really quite like everything by this brand. I haven't really tried a product that I was like, oh, that's not for me. So I'm really really into it, and especially of course into the price. Now there was something else I wanted to try. These lipsticks that on the bottom it says by Drew, so maybe Drew like paid special attention to this lipstick, or maybe this is like her signature product or something, because nothing else says by Drew on it. You know what I mean? Just taking off that lipstick. Let's see. She's got, well, she sent me these two. Where did they put the color? Oh, Buttercup. This one's Buttercup, this one's Blush Rosé. Blush Rose. So I'm gonna try the rose one for a bit of depth and dimension. I don't just want to do like a normal nude. So for me, this will be like, ooh, I really like the bullet. It's like very pinpoint tip. See that? Okay, very balmy kind of texture. Really like the formula. It feels so nice. I love that. I also like the color. It's like it's a nude on me, like a deeper nude for me. I like that. Not so crash hot on the packaging, but you know, this is an affordable brand, so I'm not going to expect Tom Ford style packaging, but it's really easy to see what it is and what the color is and stuff, and it's lightweight in your bag, so I feel like I like it. The thing for me is that the actual formulations don't feel cheap at all. I've really enjoyed everything, and I love that lipstick. My lips feel so smooth. They were dry before. Did you see them after I put this on top? They're like dry. This feels like a lip treatment, and it looks really beautiful. It kind of like matured my look from, you know, the baby pink. What's wrong with my face? Oh, in my last video, I got an angry hater comment from someone telling me to stop calling it a fringe because they're called bangs. Sorry. So sorry. Love that. I feel like I'm really struggling to breathe here. When I'm excited about something or focusing, I subconsciously hold my breath. I've almost passed out before, but. So for me, underrated brand number 1, Flower Beauty. It's kind of new to the scene. It's probably only 2 years old now, I think. But I've really liked everything that I've used by them. Wait, let me try this medium peach concealer. Probably a bit deep for me. It's for under your eyes, but to counteract. I feel like that got rid of some of the blue that I have under there. I'm lucky my under eyes don't get really dark, but in the inner corner you can really see the blue veins. Coolies. Okay, well, I've definitely went ahead and used like pretty much all the products that they sent me. I didn't try the Chill Out Hemp Lip Gloss though. Cool, well, I've tried everything out. Let me know what you think. Have you tried Flower Beauty before? Let me know. I have some spare flower products as well, so if you want to win these, a lot of them are stuff I used in this video because I already had them and they sent them to me again today, so I thought I would share the love. So if these are your shades, then hit me up below in the comments and I'll pick someone to win them. All you gotta do is be subscribed, thumbs up the video, and leave a comment in the first 24 hours. Ta-da! So thanks guys for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Let me know what you want to see in this little makeup series of like underrated makeup brands, and I'll give it a go. I think next time I want to do like CoverGirl, Stila, Clinique, Surratt, you know? So that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.